Listen closely. This meditation has the power to awaken deep passion and intimacy with your partner if you give it your full presence. For the next few minutes, this is your sacred time. No distractions, no drifting thoughts, just you, your breath, and the intention to reignite love. If you surrender to this process, you will leave glowing with energy, connection, and desire. This is not just another meditation. This is a spark, a fire waiting to be awakened. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let's begin. Feel the weight of your body resting safely where you are. Notice the stillness beneath you, supporting you. Breathe deeply in through your nose. Hold. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Again, inhale. Hold. And release. With each breath, you relax. With each breath, you open. Now, bring to mind the image of your partner. See their face, their smile, the way they look at you. Notice how your heart responds. Perhaps it softens, perhaps it warms. Feel gratitude for them. For the laughter, the lessons, the love you share. Allow this gratitude to expand through your chest. Filling your entire being. In front of you, imagine a glowing flame. This flame is desire, intimacy, connection. With every breath, see the flame grows stronger, warmer, brighter. Now imagine yourself and your partner together standing near this fire. Every doubt, every distance, every routine that has dimmed your passion, let it burn away in the flames. What remains is pure connection, raw, alive, magnetic. Feel the fire's warmth spreading into your body now. Your chest glows with energy. Your heart beats stronger. This fire is passion, devotion, intimacy. It awakens every cell in your being. Repeat softly in your mind, I am open. I am alive. I choose passion. Again, I am open. I am alive. I choose passion. Notice your body now, warm, vibrant, alive. You carry within you the spark of passion. When you see your partner again, bring this energy with you. A look, a touch, a smile. It will flow naturally. because the fire is already burning within you. Take a final deep breath in. Exhale fully. Whisper softly, I am love. I am passion. I am connection. And remember, love grows when it is shared. If this meditation awakens something in you, pass it forward. In giving love, you open yourself to receiving even more. This meditation is complete.